10 simple ways to lower your grocery bill. I've been cooking real food for 12 years, and with 2 growing kids in the house, I'm always looking for ways to eat well and spend less. Tip number 1, stop buying packaged, boxed, and canned foods that only have a one-time, one-purpose use. Instead, focus on stocking your kitchen with simple ingredients that you can use to make multiple different meals.
Single-use foods are those things you can only use one time and then they're gone. And they're usually expensive because they're convenient. I get that. But by buying simple ingredients, you can easily make your own food at home. Here's a great way to begin and to save money. Instead of buying that pre-made salad dressing, which can cost anywhere from $6 to $8 a bottle, instead pick up multi-use ingredients like olive oil, which you can use for cooking and salad dressing and all sorts of other things, and vinegar or lemons, and then you're going to mix that together with some salt. So easy. You can use different types of vinegars to flavor it too. See the caption for this money-saving recipe and follow along for more healthy tips.